In our last video, we showed you how to set up a wallet and buy the assets you'll need. Now, before you join a challenge, let's talk about blockchains and gas fees. There isn't just one blockchain. There are many. Think of each blockchain as a different road system. Some roads are short and cheap, others are longer and cost more to travel. Every token lives on a specific blockchain. For example, USDT can exist on Ethereum, Solana, or BSC. It's still USDT, but the road system it uses is different. Whenever you send a token, you pay a small fee called a gas fee. Gas is like the toll for using the road. It pays the people who run the blockchain to process your transaction. Here's the important part. The gas fee is always paid in the blockchain's coin, not in the token you're sending. For example, USDT on Ethereum needs ETH, Ethereum's coin. USDT on Solana needs SOL, Solana's coin. USDT on BSC needs BNB, BSC's coin. If you have the token but no coin, your transaction won't go through. Now let's sign in. If you're using a wallet, first connect it to SnoozUp, then sign the request inside your wallet app. This is a safe sign. It simply proves you own the wallet. Go to the Pools tab to see all available challenges. Each pool shows the token it uses and the blockchain it runs on. Make sure you choose the exact token plus blockchain listed for your pool. After choosing your pool, open your wallet and find the token on the same blockchain. If it's not showing, search for it in your wallet and add it to your list. If you don't already have it, get the token the same way we showed in the previous video, either by buying directly in your wallet or transferring from a centralized exchange. Don't forget, you'll also need a little of the blockchain's coin for gas fees. Once you have the token in the blockchain's coin, go back to SnoozUp, select your pool, pay the subscription fee, and you're officially in the challenge. It can take up to 1 hour for your subscription to be verified. Don't worry, we'll send you a notification as soon as it's confirmed. Download SnoozUp now and get ready to join your first challenge.